Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply reset your password in USAA bank account. So without further ado, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is select a web browser of your preference. Once you open your web browser, all you need to do is type in the URL www.usaa.com/my/profile/recovery. After doing so, you will be redirected to this kind of page where you simply need to type in your online ID with which you created a USAA account. After you are done filling up this detail, you need to now enter the country code and enter the number of which you have typed in the country code. Once you are done filling in all the credentials, all you need to do is click on the text reset link, which will then send a link to your number, and there you can reset your password. So this is how you reset password on USSA bank accounts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.